So why do we need this app? Because many students study from YouTube playlists, but it becomes difficult to remember which lectures have been completed, how many are left, and whether they will finish the playlist before their exams or not. To solve this problem, we developed Study Tracker web app. It helps students import YouTube playlists, create a study plan according to his or her need, and track completed lectures, visualize their progress accordingly. So, what will be the user journey? User will simply log in or sign up by their username or password, import their playlist, create a study plan, and watch lectures in app, because we are done iframe embedded lectures with YouTube, and mark whether the lectures is completed, whether it is done or not. The student can also bookmark inside the lecture so they can remember important timestamps. And in this application, they can track their progress and show how many lectures are completed, and they can break down lectures according to their need, like hourly. They can give 2 hours in a day, so they can break down the lectures according to it. So what our technological stack. So in front end, we have used React plus White, and in database we have integrated with MySQL, and backend is entirely done by Python first API. And one external API is being implemented, that is YouTube data API, because we need to import YouTube playlist. So at last, so what is their use case? Because many students are preparing for the university examination or any competitive examination like GATE or JEE. So it can help anyone learning programming, data science, or anything. So, so what is our future improvement? So we are planning to implement a smart set scheduling based on quick subject and available study time, and Google Calendar integration for automatic study reminder. So in conclusion, our study tracker web app helps students organize their learnings, stay consistent, and complete online courses on time. So now I will show you my working project in VS Code. So wait a minute. This is our login sign up interface. As I have already signed up, so I will log in my username and password. So this is our student dashboard. As you can see already, I have created some subject and lecture in it. For example, in this POC subject, Theory of Computation, I have loaded some lecture, study plan. As you can see, it is our day 14. So it is a full study guide and progress guide like this. In days 1, I have done this, day 1, 2, I have done this, and like this. So let me import a playlist. It is imported all the lectures in that playlist. So we can create a study plan according to our birthday or target date. Let me say that I want to complete this playlist and subject within 15 days. So I will generate the plan. So it can give us the full plan, which day I have to do which lecture and all. So if I complete this lecture, it will automatically reflect in this, and also this progress chart. Also, we can arrange the lectures accordingly by move up and move down. Also can see the lectures in here using iframe feature. Without any net use. Let's see, I have to bookmark it this time. So I will say IP address and bookmark this. So whenever I click in here, we good, we can next lecture or close this, or we can add YouTube in here. And they can, a student can track the lecture in here, progress, their progress. And completion time is 31:8. This is live date. They can adjust by clicking here. Also can change their hourly study, let's suppose from 2 to 1.5 hours per day. It will change accordingly. So thank you, sir. That's for our web app. Also, the student can add daily goals like revise a particular subject. Add goal. If it is done, then they can click in here and delete also. So that's for our web app. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Priyam, Rajdeep, Rahul.